Just a short 35-minute boat ride from the main island of Providenciales is the exclusive private island of Parrot Cay. Escape to 1,000 unspoiled acres, a mile of white sandy beaches, understated rooms, beach houses and villas with private pools. Here you'll find tranquility, rejuvenation, and unsurpassed luxury. Other amenities offered here are exercise room, business center with computers and pool table, lit tennis courts, and Wi-Fi in all the rooms. The infinity pool at Parrot Cay overlooking the ocean is the perfect place to relax and spend your day. Enjoy a drink at the Lotus Pool Bar or one of the private tiki huts. These tiki huts can also be set up for a private romantic dinner. A continental breakfast buffet, as well as a variety of options from the menu or the Shambala Spa Menu are available. The Shambala Spa Menu consists of healthful cuisine, including foods rich with living organisms, vitamins, and minerals. This healthy menu that contains raw food and predominantly vegetarian options is available in both restaurants and room service. Thank you. Right now we are at the Lotus Poolside restaurant. Here's where lunch is served daily. For lunch, I've decided to start with the fish tacos, and for my entree, I'm going to order from the spa menu. I'll have the red rice maki roll, avocado, marinated shiitakes, asparagus, and broccoli, please. For dinner, the Lotus Poolside restaurant focuses on Southeast Asian-inspired menus. This is enjoyed in a nice poolside setting. The terrace offers Italian-inspired Mediterranean cuisine. Thank you. Parrot Cay is known for the Shambala retreat, where the mind, body, and spirit are nurtured holistically. There is also complimentary daily yoga and Pilates classes in the yoga pavilion. Please make sure you check out my separate video on the Shambala retreat. I'm on the boat heading back to Providenciales. We've had an amazing time here at Parrot Cay, but sadly, this is the end of our tour. I'm Caribbean Clint.